Hello everyone, I am welcoming all of you in my second online class on lecture number 9. The topic of the lecture number 9 is Management Information Systems. In today's class, I am going to discuss about two topics. First topic is Information System, or in short IS. Second one is Information Technology, in short IT. So let's start our today's discussion. At first, I would like to discuss about information system. What is an information system? The formal definition given here: an information system can be defined technically as a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. So this is the definition. So here we have some important points. First of all, as it is one kind of system, definitely we have interrelated components inside this information system as well, right? So here that's why they are mentioning here technically as a set of interrelated components. And these components, what they will do, first job, they will collect data from different sources inside the or outside the organization. Then it will process those inputted data and it will produce information. After that, it will store those information in the storage device. Then what you have to do, you have to distribute those meaningful, useful information to the different levels of management so that they can take right or proper decision and control the organization. In this way, they will be able to ensure the future growth of the organization, okay, or they will be able to achieve the business objective, okay, right? So now here we have four tasks: collect, process, store, and distribute. These are the four main tasks we have here inside this information system, okay, right? So in this figure you can see when I'm giving input, I'm giving data as input, and from where I'm getting data, from different sources. We have some stakeholder like supplier, customer, competitor, stakeholder, regulatory agency. These are the stakeholder of this organization information system, okay. So stakeholder means those who are giving input or those who are getting output from the system, okay, right? So from different sources, at first we are giving data as input to our information inside our information system. Then system will be responsible to process, classify, arrange, calculate those inputted data. Then it will give us output as information, okay. On the basis of those information, different levels of management, they will be able to take right or proper decision, okay. And on the basis of the output, again you can give feedback. It's a loop, you can see, okay, here, right? Now the next point I'm going to discuss, that is the components of information system, okay. So inside the definition, the first point is, the first job of this information system is what? Collect, okay. Suppose think about a super shop again, okay. In the super shop, what happened? In the super shop, when basically we stand in front of the POS system, that is point of sale. After purchasing the product, we have to give the product to the counter man, okay. That counter person, what he will do or she will do, they will using barcode to collect the barcode scanner to collect the barcode, isn't it? Okay. So to collect data, what we need to use? We need to use some hardware and we need some software. That barcode scanner, that is the hardware, okay. To operate that barcode scanner, what do we need? We need software, isn't it? So it is very clear, isn't it? So to collect data, we need some hardware, we need some software. Then come to the next point, process, okay. By using microprocessor, okay, we can process our inputted data, okay. As well as we need some software as well, operating system. Without operating system, you will not be able to operate your or manage your microprocessor, okay. So we can say that to collect or to process data, we need hardware and software. Then store. To store data, what we need? We need database. Inside the database, we can store our output, okay, or data or information in an organized manner. So the last job is distribute. If you want to distribute the data, okay, among your managers, what do you need? You need network. Okay, if your computer device is connected, okay, through a network system, you will be able to distribute data into different levels of to your different levels of management. Okay, so again I'm mentioning, to collect or to process data we need hardware and software. To store data we need database. To distribute data we need network. These are the four things. Okay, so how these four things, how these four components will work, it's written inside the procedure. You need a procedure. This hardware, this software, this database, this network, okay, network system, network administration or network gear, okay, how they will work together. You need a guideline. Okay, they are interdependent. Okay, so you need a guideline, that is called procedure. Okay, and to operate the system we need some people. So these are the 6 components of information system. Again I'm mentioning: hardware, software, database, network, procedure and people. These are the 6 components of information system. Okay, so this is the list you can see here. First of all, hardware, a device such as a processor, monitor, keyboard or printer. Okay, by using this hardware we can collect or we can process our data. Then software is a program or collection of program that enable hardware to process data. Again, to collect, to process data we need software. Database is a collection of related fields or tables containing data. Okay, to store data we need database. Network is a connecting system. It might be wired, it might be wireless, that permits different computers to share resources. Okay, right, we can share our information or some other resources through this network very easily within a very short time. Right, then procedure. Procedures are the set of instructions about how to combine the above components in order to process information. Above components means these 4 components: hardware, software, database, network. Process information and generate the desired output. Okay, and at last we need people. People are those individuals who use the hardware and software interface with it or use its output. Okay, right, so these are the 6 components of information system. Now next point I would like to discuss, that is the role of information system in business. Okay, why nowadays we are using information system in our business? What is our main objective? Why we are doing this? Okay, so let's see. Information systems are a foundation for conducting business today. Today we cannot think about our business without information system. Okay, in every business sector they are using information system nowadays to operate their business. In many industries, survivals and the ability to achieve strategic business goals are difficult without extensive use of information technology. That means in some industry you cannot run without information system. Like think about e-commerce industry. You'd like to run e-commerce business, but you do not have information system, you do not have website, you do not have database, you do not have network. How you will run the information system? How you are going to run your e-commerce business? So in this sector you cannot even think about your business without information system. So businesses today use information system to achieve 6 major objectives. So these are the 6 objectives. To achieve these 6 objectives we are using information system in our business nowadays. What is the first one? Operational excellence. It is indicating if you use information system in your business organization, it will give you operational excellence. Think about a very real life example. Think about a departmental shop. When you go to the departmental shop to purchase your monthly products, okay, on that time, okay, what you are doing, you are giving a list to that salesman, okay, who is available in the departmental shop, and that person collecting all the products from different shelf of his shop. Then one by one he is writing the product name and the price, product name and the price, and at last he is doing calculation by using a calculator. So everything is manual, so it takes long time. Suppose at the same time, if that seller, the departmental shop owner, he got 10 customer, what will happen? The last person, that person need to wait for 40 minutes, 50 minutes, isn't it? Okay, so the process is not that much efficient, and there is a very good chance to do human error. Okay, on the other hand, think about the departmental shop. They are using POS system, point of sale system. Okay, when a customer come in front of the desk, point of sale desk, what they are doing, they are just scanning the barcode, okay, and automatically that computer generating the bill for the customer. Okay, so it takes only few seconds to complete the whole transaction process. So in this way, if you use information system in your business, it will give you operational excellence. Okay, next point, that is new product, service and business model. So if you have information system, you will be able to gather information about your customer interest, about your customer demand. If you want to survive in the market, at first you should have very good idea what is your customer demand. Customer demand, if you do not able to understand the customer demand, then you will not be able to sustain in the market for a long run. So that's why time to time you have to offer new product, new service. You can introduce new business model, okay, to your customer. So that's why this information system might help you in this sector. Okay, it can collect huge amount of data about your customer interest, and after manipulating those data, you can understand what modification you have to do in your product or in your service. Okay, you can introduce even new business model. Okay, right. Then third point, customer supplier intimacy. That means intimacy means the relationship in between customer and supplier. You can use a CRM, customer relationship management system. Okay, so this is at one kind of information system. Like when you purchase any product from any good brand, what they do, they're keeping your mobile number or email address, and time to time they are giving you the update about their product price, about the discount, and even in your special occasion they are wishing you, isn't it? So in this way you will be able to maintain a very good relationship with your customer, and that customer will be loyal to you. You can identify who are the most profitable customer to you. You can give them better service, you can give them better offer, better deal you can give them. Okay, right. Then fourth point is improve decision making. So undoubtedly, if you have information system, it will give you timely, accurate, proper information, and on the basis of those information you will be able to make better decision for the organization. Then next point is competitive advantage. If you have information system, then you will get competitive advantage. That means in the market you are not only the seller. Okay, in the same industry there might be some other seller as well in the market. If you have information system, then from different perspective you will get more advantage than your competitor. The last point is day-to-day survival. That means for day-to-day operation, for day-to-day routine work, okay, your information system will help you. It will make your life more easy. It will automate the thing. It will automate the business process, different part of your business process. So these are the 6 objectives, okay, we would like to achieve by using information system in our business nowadays. The last topic I would like to discuss, that is what is information technology, or in short IT. Information technology consists of all the hardwares and software that a firm needs to use in order to achieve its business objective. So here IT means all kinds of hardware, all kinds of software. Okay. This includes not only computer machines, storage device and handheld mobile devices, but also software such as the Windows or Linux operating system and the many thousands of computer programs. Okay. So one question you might face in the Viva board, that is, what is the difference in between IS and IT? So what might be the possible answer? IS is the information system, is the concept. Okay, there will be some interrelated component, and what they will do, they will collect, process, store and distribute information into different levels of management so that they can take right or proper decision. This is the concept. But if you want to establish this concept in the real life, you need some hardware, you need some software. This information technology deals with this hardware and software. Okay, right. So that's all about today's lecture. Thank you everyone.